Okay, here we are going to solve this log equation. We have log base 36 of x plus 5 minus log base 36 of 2x, and this is equal to 1/2. And let's take a quick review on how we can solve a log equation. So we first need to make sure that we just have one single log on the left hand side, and then this is equal to any number, and then we'll pretend that these two are our exponents, and then we do b to the power so that we can change a log equation into an exponential form. Well, the issue right here that is we have two logs, right? So let's take a look of the property on what we can do in this situation. Here we have a subtraction of two logs, right? So we are talking about this one. When we have a subtraction of two logs, what we can do is we can put them together into one single log, but then it will be a divided by b, so a fraction inside. So let's put this down in action. Right here, log base 36 minus another log base 36, once we subtract it, we will just combine it into one log with the same base, 36, and let me put down a big fraction. This will go on the top. So let me put down a fraction bar, and the x plus 5 right here, minus the 2x, which this 2x will be on the denominator like that. Okay, so once again, when we subtract two logs, the inside becomes division. But if this was addition, then we multiply them instead. Anyways, this is equal to 1/2. All right, and then we see that we have one single log. It's equal to any number. Well, I just need to pretend they are my exponents. The base right here is 36, so we'll do 36 to this power, and then we'll do 36 to that power. The reason is because the 36 and the log base 36 will cancel each other out. And then we're talking about this x plus 5 over 2x, and this is equal to 36 to the 1/2 power. Well, you see that we change the log equation into exponential form, right? And now we have to answer ourselves, what's 36 to the 1/2 power? Well, this is the same as saying we take the square root of 36, because that's what half power mean. And square root of 36, that will give us positive 6. So here we have x plus 5 over 2x, that will give us 6. And this is an equation with fractions. Well, we can just multiply both sides by the denominator, which is 2x, so that the 2x and the 2x cancel. And then we'll be working with x plus 5 equals to 6 times 2x. That's of course 12x. And then let me minus the x on both sides like this, so that this and that will cancel. And then we're talking about 5 equals to 11x, because 12x minus 1x, that will give us 11x. At the end, we divide both sides by 11, so that we can get the x by itself, right? So finally, we can say x by itself, this is equal to 5 over 11. And then if you do this real quick, you see that the 5 over 11 is a positive number, right? Positive fraction. When we plug in into this x inside of the log, positive plus a 5, it's positive. That's good. 5 over 11, plug into here, 2 times 5 over 11, it's also positive. So that's also good. So we know that this is actually the legitimate answer. Make sure that when we plug in into the original equation, we do not end up with negative values inside. Okay, so this is it.